was this story when I was about 1.5 years old. So I don't remember it myself, but my mom and dad told me my mom was tutoring me on like addition, and suddenly I was like, all right, so if 2 plus 2 is 4, would 2x or 2n plus 2n be 4n? So I was like discovering these things on my own. And my mom was like, whoa, this is kind of scary.
Some might think it's scary, but CUNY student Soborno Isaac Berry has had a lot of amazing things happen to him in his 12 short years. He started speaking in full sentences at 6 months and was reciting the periodic table at 2.
And what is this one?
Oxygen.
Boy, what is this one?
Fluoride.
Boy, you're gonna go to college. What is this one?
Needle.
He was being lauded for his brilliance at 4.
Wow, that was complicated. You are so amazing.
And then there was this.
Dear Soborno, I hope you take pride for your hard work and accomplishments. America needs students like you.
I want you to know I expect great things from you. Young people like you are tomorrow's leaders. You inspire me and give me tremendous hope for the future. Michelle and I wish you all the best. Sincerely, Barack Obama. Yeah, that was really a complete shock to me. So I got the letter from President Obama himself. I was like, the President of the US recognizing me? Like, first of all, how did he find out about me? And second of all, why would he put in the time and effort even to just write a letter about me? That was what really inspired me and really inspired my parents to keep moving forward and keep educating me.
But that wasn't all. At 6, he started writing books.
So I wrote it when I was 6. I didn't finish it until I was 8, even though it's a relatively short book because, you know, toddlers aren't very fast writers.
And at the age of 7, he was on national TV with Melissa McCarthy.
Now let me ask you a question right off the bat. Do you need a bow tie to be a physicist?
No, all you need is perseverance, hard work, and a dream of becoming Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein someday in the future. But if you want to be a fancy-looking physician, then you need a bow tie.
It was definitely a great experience getting to know Melissa McCarthy. I had no idea how famous she was at that time, but now that I've actually know some stuff about her, it's really shocking how I got to see her face to face. I just sat next to her on a couch and I was like, yeah, everything is fine. I wish I could have gone back there again for a second time, but I'm pretty sure everyone only gets one episode.
At 10, he scored 1,500 on his SATs with a 780 out of 800 in math. And by 11, he was taking college courses.
And here I am walking to get my Brooklyn College ID. I'm testing my ID here. My linear algebra class is being taught by my teacher, Dr. Laurel Cooley.
And he's not only a student. He's been a teaching professor in India since the age of 7. But even though he's a 12-year-old prodigy, in many ways he's just a regular kid. Tell me a little bit about your family.
Okay, so the first one, definitely the most important one, is my brother. Come on. Oh, he's scared to appear on camera. He's at his social interaction limit for the day. He gives me motivation to do everything I do, whether it's through competition or just through understanding and excitement in math and physics. And I don't really know how to describe him. He's just like my role model in life. So my dad as well, he's been mentoring me since my birth, in fact. He's the one who's given me all those textbooks, who's taught me on my own, and who gave me the inspiration to actually view math as something you can play around with, rather than something that's just strict and has rules. And finally, my mom is definitely who unites us all. She is inspiring me herself because even though she doesn't work in math and science, her work ethic is still something that I strive to achieve. My mom, my dad, and my brother, they've all helped me so much, and I really appreciate my family. If I was born in any other family in the world, I would not be where I am today.
When you're not studying or lecturing or trying to solve problems, what do you do just when you want to be a kid.
My dad loved playing chess. He says that he used to be a grandmaster a long, long time ago. I don't think that's true, but I think we can let him have his fun. So my dad and my brother have motivated me to pursue chess. My art teacher motivated me to pursue art. She just encouraged me to be myself and weave whatever I think about my situation into my art.
Although he knows his life has been and will be a little different than other kids his age, he seemed okay with that.
I'm sure there were probably a few people who've called me a child prodigy in the past. Well, more than a few people. Lots of passionate YouTube commenters. But I wouldn't consider myself that. I just want to contribute something significant. And I mean, the younger you start, the better you do.
I'm Scott Kirby for Urban U.